What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on another bike. That is a 2007 Victory Vegas 8-ball. This one's in for a full detail, as well as it needs a new front and rear tire and an oil change. So let's get started with some before pics, and then we'll get the video started. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching another video on my channel, Clean Machine Auto Detailing. As you can see from the before pics, the Victory was mostly dusty with some bug guts here and there. The owner needed to get it ready for the Wisconsin riding season with an oil change and new tires. Bug guts don't stand a chance. I'm using the 40-degree nozzle to not put too much pressure on anything. Start with the easiest wheel and side to clean. So much easier to do when I have stands. No big deal. I had to move the bike a few times to get all of the wheels cleaned. Just like any vehicle, I'll do a pre-wash to get everything loosened up and use the detail brush to get inside all of the hard to reach places. These fins look really nice, but they hold a lot of water and they're hard to get clean. bike clean, I can focus on putting on some protection. You guessed it, SiO2 sealant. Watch the water bead up and roll right off the tank, making the drying process so much easier, and the bike is now protected for 6 months. It also works well on chrome. I dried the bike off camera with the air compressor and towels. The next morning, I put carnauba wax on the tank and fenders. These are the results. And just like that, you guys, we're done. 2 hours later. This bike was pretty easy. It's black, so it does show every imperfection, but when black is clean, it does look good. If you would like your vehicle to be detailed by me on Clean Machine, so you can check it out for yourself on YouTube when I'm done, be sure to check me out on Facebook at Clean Machine Auto Detailing. Otherwise, if you're liking these videos, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing. It's absolutely free and it really helps the channel. Once again, thanks for watching.